Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check the battery temperature on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So in order to do that, first we need to download the third-party app that will show us the battery temperature, since there is no way to check the temperature on the device. So let's open the Play Store. Then we need to search for G-CPU monitor, and this is the app that we need to download. So let's install it. And after we install it, of course, we need to open it. So let's do that. Now over here, tap this check in the bottom right corner. And after a few seconds, we should see this information about personal data. Of course, we don't have to consent, so we can press do not consent. And this is how the app looks like. Now over here in the top right corner, we have the information about the battery. We can tap on it and we will probably see an ad. Of course, we don't have to consent. So there we go. Now we can see some information about the battery. Over here we can see the temperature as well as over here. So right now, as you can see, the temperature of my battery is 28 Celsius degree or 82 Fahrenheit. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.